In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add visual effects and virtual backgrounds to your Google Meet calls. With more people working remotely, having the ability to use virtual backgrounds can enhance your online presence, add a touch of professionalism, or simply make your meetings more fun. So let's dive in and learn how to set this up. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to meet.google.com. Once you've navigated to this page, look towards the top right corner for the Google Apps icon, often referred to as the waffle icon because of its grid-like appearance. Click on it to access a menu of Google applications. From this menu, go ahead and open the Chrome Web Store. This is a crucial step because the Chrome Web Store is where we will find the extension needed for customizing our Google Meet backgrounds. Inside the store, you will see a search bar. Click on this bar and type in Change Background. Once you have typed in the search term, review the list of results and look for an extension called Change Background for Google Meet. Click on it to learn more about what this extension offers. Make sure to review the details and user reviews to ensure that it meets your requirements and expectations. When you feel confident about the extension, locate and click the Add to Chrome button. A dialog box will pop up asking you to confirm that you want to install this extension. Click on Add Extension to proceed with the installation. This step will integrate the tool into your browser, allowing you to customize your backgrounds on Google Meet. After installation, locate the extension icon on your web browser, usually found near the address bar. Click on it and you will see a list of your installed extensions. To make the Change Background for Google Meet extension easy to access, click the pin icon next to it. This action pins the extension to your toolbar, allowing you quicker access in the future. Now let's test everything out. Go ahead and open or join a Google Meet call. Once you are in the call, return to your browser toolbar and click the extension icon again. This action will enable a menu where you can explore various virtual backgrounds or effects. Take your time in selecting and previewing the different options available. You can quickly see how the background or effect will look before making your final choice. Once you've found the background that suits your mood or meeting theme, apply it, and voila, you have customized your Google Meet environment to your liking. And there you have it. With these steps, you can now add some flair or create a more professional appearance in your video calls. Enjoy your new virtual backdrop and the endless meeting possibilities it offers.